Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antoni kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasngi ka sarkar Meghalaya lingba katanat sports but youth affairs kala pelong ye kajingelang kerpang grants in aid for team preparation ha state convention center Shillong kumshibenta ban Pynkhreh ban pelong ye ka 39 national games house nem arhajar arnyo u Mintri rangba konvat ki sangma uang ba ka sarkar kalaplut hado shihajar khandais pa Klur tingka na kabenta ki matte infrastructure kom kajingte santhotli ki artificial turf but ki synthetic track ki bahe tam eastern region wangru bagane kade ka sinjam ban kentiu ya kalawei ki samla ha kane ka jingyalang ka sarkar kala ai life phokhandai pon khat nyo Klur tingka Sha Arfnrutalik Sports Association barka MSOA ban Pynkhreh yakiti Meghalaya. U Chief Minister Open Pau bagane kade kasin kabaningkong ba ka sarkar jila ka ai direct grant shaki Sports Association hashilo. Lapan ko buramru ya ka Miss Refinus Warjri ka balale crowd da ka bakiu sha umau ba Everest da ka song pisa nriulak tingka. U Menteri Katanat Sports ba Shakir Warjri uong ba ka sarkar ka don kathong banwan ra jingjam omtang hajila nreiru hakari baro kawe. U Chief Secretary ba DP Walang but u Commissioner Dr. VJ Kumar ki ai Ministerium ba kane kari ka samoik siar jongka sports ha kajila.
So just to share with you that close to about 1900 crores of projects today are being implemented in sports infrastructure as we speak. And that's something that has never, ever happened in the history of our state. In fact, if you look at the artificial turfs for football that are coming up, we'll be having close to 50 artificial turfs throughout the state. That is the largest number any state has in the country. We are very happy, and I do take this opportunity to thank the Indian Olympic Association, the chairperson, Madam P.T. Usha, and of course our Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, and our respected Sports Minister for having given the opportunity to Meghalaya to host the 39th National Games. I also would like to mention to you that today's program is something that's very special and very, very unique. And I'm sure that others have said it before, but I want to repeat it again so that you realize how important this decision that we're taking is. We are today here to tell you that we are going to be giving the funds to you, to the associations. Let me tell you, not to point fingers at any other state government or the past games, but in the past games, the governments would spend the money to buy the equipment and then give the equipment to the associations. The government would then get the coaches and give the coaches to the associations and pay for the coaches. Maybe this is the first time in the history of the country that a state government is actually going to give the funds to the associations. And we are going to be making you part of the decision making because we realize that you know best. You know what you need.
Doing a unified check. Today we're showing it, and then of course each association will get part of that amount. So therefore this is the total amount that we're releasing today, and different associations as per their requirement, as per the demands they put in, as per the assessments done by the department as well as the associations, each of the associations will get a separate check.
And we wish all.
Thank the government of Meghalaya for this wonderful grant for the team preparation.
Okay.